How to follow post on Reddit application. Are you guys facing issues to follow post on Reddit? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Reddit on your mobile device. Once you open the application, now log in into your account with a registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on Reddit, make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. After you get logged in, now go over the post that you want to follow. Now look at the top right corner of the post where you can see the three dot icon or menu icon. Tap on it. You will be provided with multiple options over here. Just click on the second option, follow post. And that's it guys. That's how you're gonna follow post and Reddit application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Reddit, make sure to comment down below. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.